Let us try to assign the configuration for 2,4 dichloropentane. Now 2,4 dichloropentane can be represented as a wedge form like this. So I am drawing 2,4 dichloropentane. When I try to draw the wedge representation, we have to ensure that we are drawing both the dashed lines as well as the thick lines. So let me put my hydrogen here, my chlorine here, and my one more chlorine here, and one more hydrogen here. Okay, so this is my 2,4 dichloropentane. We know that this molecule has two chiral centers. So you have one chiral center here and you have another chiral center here. This is not a chiral center because this carbon is not attached to four different groups. Carbon is not a chiral carbon. Now let us number it. Okay, if you number it from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and if we look into carbon number 2, so this carbon, and when we try to assign the priority to the atoms or groups using Kahn, Ingold and Prelog rule, our first priority goes to chlorine. The second priority, we have two carbons, therefore we have to check the other atoms attached to this carbon. This carbon is attached with 3 hydrogen, whereas this carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen and another carbon, therefore this gets the second priority. So this gets the first priority, this gets the second priority, and this gets the third priority. Therefore we move it in an anti-clockwise direction. So we are actually moving in a 1, 2, 3 anti-clockwise direction. But remember, the hydrogen is pointed towards us. Okay, therefore we have to take the opposite configuration. So when you move in an anti-clockwise direction, it is actually S. But since hydrogen is pointing towards us, we take this configuration as R. Now let us move on to the fourth carbon. In the fourth carbon again, chlorine gets the first priority and this carbon gets the second priority. This carbon gets the third priority. So we move in the 1, 2, 3 clockwise direction, and you can see your hydrogen is away from you, that is on the rear side, back side. Therefore we have to take the configuration as such, and therefore this becomes R. So this structure corresponds to 2R, 4R dichloropentane. Now we can try It's enantiomer, which is nothing but 2s 4s. So when we try to draw the enantiomer, okay, so if we try to draw the enantiomer, it's enantiomer. So we have to just replace, we have to just change the position of hydrogen and chlorine. So I am just changing the position of hydrogen and chlorine, and here it is hydrogen and chlorine. So when I change, this is my CH3 and this is my CH3. Now how to assign configuration for this structure? Again, the priority is, this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. We move in an anti-clockwise direction, that is 1, 2 and 3, and the lowest priority group is moving away from us, it is on the rare side, therefore we have to take the configuration as such. So it is yes, and in this case the number 1 priority is this one, this is 2, this carbon is 2 and this is 3, therefore we move in a clockwise direction 1, 2 and 3. But remember, hydrogen is pointed towards you and therefore we have to take the opposite configuration. So we are moving in clockwise, it is R actually, but we have to take the opposite configuration, therefore it is yes. So this is the structure of 2s, 4s, 2, 4 dichloropentane. Thank you.